Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk matters Kisii County, where Simba Arati, yesterday in Bobasi, Basi Central Ward, donated a wheelchair to a needy woman. But before I do that, if you are watching for the first time, guza your subscribe button hapo chini ya red and like this video so that we can grow our channel together and also it can be promoted to other viewers. Take a second to tap the subscribe button and like this video. So Simba Arati did donate a wheelchair, and I can tell you that scenario was too merciful and it really attracted feelings, especially for women who were at that rally. And I think it's a good strategy that is working for Simba Arati, conducting a huge rally, donating or helping some needy person. The other day he did post a clip where he was helping a needy student, and he has done a lot of things. I want you to watch the clip of what really conspired in that rally.
Biamono tagete ntebega onyendi twabwate chinguru kange twateba batale lakini bilitoko nyarana mwanya bantu na bitogokora mo wancha boygo baba tumie kirugeke mubwate lingana okwana mwengo likonda kwane tayo mosuke skabon mono nali konda
wena ni toka nani songa hivi
baba kwana
songa kidogo
na nyarto mwana ngarwara na lenke biyane ibule tuga na bana mbwate omwana na nyorete ankindwarete aba oyino yoga tatago chigokora na mwana na ale isato isinyire asengurusi tibasa ngo basomeli basali bale isiko noyonde oyo kabere ale pre unity.
Pole baba. Pole. Ije aya munganchere ntagete ngeli bageli umuske senator wanchirane kubuli musigo we